Hey everybody, Joe Kane here from Joe Rocks Coronado, and I just finished painting this blue and gold mandala, some other colors in there, and signed the back there. So this one is done almost entirely with puffy paint. The only thing that's not puffy paint or three-dimensional fabric paint, as you could call it, is the black base coat, which is underneath everything here, but most of that's covered up anyway. So I don't know if you can tell from the video how sparkly that is, and I just finished sealing it, so it looks really good. And I think I filmed the whole process. I might have missed a little bit of it, but I'm pretty sure I filmed the whole process. So I'm going to put that here, and you can see how I did it. If you want to watch more of these videos, just let me know if there's a particular thing you want me to paint or demonstrate or show, and otherwise I'll just keep doing these, and hopefully show you guys as I go along here. Thanks, I appreciate everyone tuning in, and let's get right to it. So as you can see, I started with a black background, and then I just did this radial pattern in the center. Okay, I didn't want to take the time to show all of that, but I'm going to use puffy paint now to decorate those, and really design you use really isn't important. Um, I just want to show you sort of my technique for how I did this. And this is, I'm going to put a series of dots on each one of these little rays or petals, whatever you want to call them. And then I'm going to use a little metal tool. You can use a dotting tool, or, just about anything. A small paintbrush handle to blend them together. So it takes a little time to set it up, but once you get it done, it looks pretty cool. So here we go. I'm going to speed up a little of this so that this isn't a terribly long video, but I hope you enjoy watching the process. Okay, that's everything. Now I'm going to put it in front of a fan to dry for a while. I'll leave it sit overnight, and with the fan on medium or high, it'll be dry overnight. I can seal it in the morning. Okay, here it is. All the puffy paint is dry, ready to get some sealer on there. Oh, yeah, I like the way that looks. It looks nice. The colors are good. The dots look good. So here's where I dry them. I have a little Lazy Susan here. Get my clear spray out. Get a nice even coat all the way around. That's it. Krylon triple thick.